Hello students, this is your science teacher Aparna, and today we are starting a new chapter, chapter number 10, and name of the chapter is Reaching the Age of Adolescence. So in our previous chapter we have studied about the reproduction process, okay, and how they reproduce, what is the sexual reproduction, what is the asexual reproduction, and what are the reproductive organs, which are the female reproductive organs, which are the male reproductive organs, and how reproduction is going on in sexual mode and asexual mode. So today we are discussing reaching the age of adolescence. So in this chapter mainly we will discuss about the stages of the life, okay, stages of the life when a child become an adult and they will be capable to reproduce. So we will discuss in this chapter. So firstly we will discuss about adolescence and puberty, okay. So adolescence, what is the adolescence? Actually this is the stage of life, it is a time period of life when the body undergoes changing leading to reproductive maturity. That means so many changes will be going on this period, and which will lead to reproductive maturity. You can also say that adolescence is a transitional period between childhood and adulthood. So what is the adolescence? Actually it is a transitional period. Transitional period, that means so many changes are going on and which will lead to reproductive maturity. So a transitional period between childhood and adulthood when physical and mental development is going on. This one is known as adolescence. And you can also say the time period when so many changes are going on in the body which will lead to reproductive maturity is known as adolescence. So students, growth is a natural process, okay. When a new baby is born, after that growing processes start, okay, and then baby become child. Here growing and development processes continue, okay, and after when that child is fully grown, and then when they are capable to reproduce, when they are capable of reproduction, then they become an adult, okay. So what is the adolescence? A time period, a transitional period between childhood and adulthood. So this one is childhood and this one is adulthood. So growing is a natural process. When baby is born, from that time development process and growing process starts, and growing is continued, development is continued, then baby become child, and after that when it is completely grown and they are ready to reproduce a new one, then they known as adult. So I hope you have understand the adolescence, what is the meaning of adolescence, what is the definition of adolescence. Now just come to the puberty, okay. So it is related to the adolescence, the period of life when adolescents become sexually mature. That means on that time they become sexually mature. That means they can reproduce to new one, they are capable to reproduce, or they are capable of reproduction. That time period is known as puberty, okay. So during puberty, how can you observe that stage of puberty is there? So these are some changes. So what are the changes? Changes in puberty are increase in height, change in body shape and appearance, change in voice, pimple acne on the face, development of sex organs, reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. So I told you that adolescence is the stage when changes are going on, okay, and puberty is the stage when they become sexually mature, when we are talking about adolescence, okay. Adolescence, that means we are talking about female and male, we are talking about boys and girls. So if we are talking about the stage. So there will be a age. Okay, so it starts from the age of 11 to age of 19. Okay, so age of 11 to age of 19 we can consider as adolescence age. Okay, we can consider it with adolescence, because from this in this time duration, in this age of adolescence, changes start which reach to reproductive maturity. Okay, so generally age of 13 to 19, which are already known as teenage. Okay, which are already known as teenage, are also we can consider the adolescence age. But generally we can see in female, okay, in girls, these changes are more earlier than boys. More earlier than boys, adolescence age we can see in the girls, and puberty changes also can be seen in girls earlier than boys. So what is the adolescence? A time period, and which time period we can consider it as the age from the age of 11 to age of 19. Okay, and during this period so many changes will be going on in the body of male and female, and after these changes they will be sexually mature and they can capable of reproduction. So I hope you have understand both the topic adolescence and puberty. Now come to the changes in puberty. So these are some changes. Increase in height. So this is very visible change. Increase in height. Suddenly you can see a child is increasing his height. So increase in height is a very visible change we can see, and it is the indication of that changes are going on that particular boy or girl. Then second one is change in body shape and appearance. So there will be changes in body shape and appearance will be very visible. You can see it, and you can also observe that there is very difference between the child and an adult body. Okay, child has small body parts, small body parts, and body shape is also different from an adult. Okay, now change in voice. Change in voice is also a visible change, because in the age of puberty boys become tough, you can say. It becomes just like it's a heavy voice. Yes, it's heavy voice, and when we are talking about girls, so they also their voice become soft. Their voice become soft. Pimple, acne on the faces. These are also some changes which adolescent suffers on this time period. Development of sex organs. In previous chapter I have told you that reproductive organs of male and reproductive organs of female. So in this stage these reproductive organs develop. Okay, so development of these reproductive organs is also going on in this stage, and after that adolescents become sexually mature and they are capable of reproduction. And last point is reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. So reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity, on this time period they also reach to their mental level, how to intellect, and they also mature as the, you can say they completely become mature. On this stage they completely become mature. So this was the adolescence and puberty. Both are the time period. So adolescence is a time period when changes are going on and it will lead to reproductive maturity, and puberty is the stage, puberty is the time when they become sexually mature. So that was the difference between adolescence and puberty. In this time period what is going on? Changes are going on, and after that changes they will become sexually mature, and this puberty is a time period when they become sexually mature. That time is puberty. Okay, and again I am going to explain adolescence transitional period. That means changes are going on when development of which type of development, both physical and mental development is going on, and it is the time period of between childhood and adulthood. Okay, and growing is natural process. It starts from the day when baby born. Okay, and after that it become child, after that it become an adult. So students, I hope you understand. So watch the video, try to understand the topic. If you have any type of doubt, please ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.